god, who is that? Bro, that thing is so sick. I literally been thinking about wrapping my car in that color. That shit looks sick, that color. Damn it, I never run into any GTRs when I'm in my GTR, but now that I'm in the E92, there's a GTR here. I freaking love GTRs, dude. Bro, I need those side skirts, I need that diffuser, I need that wrap. I wonder what he has done to it. Damn it, dude, I wish I had my GTR now. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. As you guys can see, we are in the E92, which means we are doing an E92 video today, a long-awaited video that you guys have all been asking for. Literally, all the comments, all the DMs, everyone's asking for an E92 video, or just some kind of content with the E92. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to Azusa Canyon with the homie Manny. Manny could not wait. He's so impatient. He wants to catch the sunset. So he's already up the canyon and we gotta catch up to him somehow. I don't know how we're gonna find him up there. It's like finding Manny. There's no cell phone service or nothing. So hopefully we find each other. He said he's gonna wait like on one of the turnouts. So let's go try to find him. But yeah, we're in the E92 again. I miss this car so much. I also got the GoPro on, so we can do some GoPro footage. Also, guys, I've been thinking about getting another car. I know. So I found an E36 for sale, and I think you guys will really like it. I want to buy it. It's a really clean E36. It's literally perfect, but it's either getting the E36, and I kind of already did that content, if you know what I mean, or buy a different project car, like a 350Z or something I've been thinking about. I think a lot of people like 350Zs. I've always wanted a 350Z, so I don't know. The 350Z, E36, you guys help me out. Or any other project cars you guys have in mind, comment down below. Let me know you guys' thoughts, your ideas, and let's buy a new project car. Anyways, let me know down below what do you guys think I should get. There's a clean E36 for sale, and there's also a 350Z for sale, so let me know. Anyways, we just made it to Azusa. Let's hurry up and try to find Manny. I'm excited though. Finally in the E92 again, and this car is so much fun in the canyons. The downshifts, the noise, everything. The GTR downshifts sound pretty sick, but like there's nothing like this V8. These downshifts are so freaking loud. Woo! Let's go. I haven't driven this car forever, so I'm kind of scared. There's a Lexus behind me, trying to keep up. Oh my god, dude, I miss this car. There's literally nothing like this V8. See a 350Z. Is that the next build? Woo! This shit sounds crazy. It's so obnoxious, dude. Like, really? So yeah, guys, I don't know. I've been wanting a new project car for a while now. I mean, I did get the GTR, but everything on that car is so expensive. Like, everything I need to do to it is gonna be expensive. If I buy something like relatively on the cheaper side, like a 350Z project car, nothing nice, like it would be something like a project. It would be fun, I think. Oh, we found them. That was quick.
Look who decided to show up and meet us at the canyon.
Look at this
so long to
vlogger,
meet up
bro.
with us. Go to that side.
You hear the hood exit? Damn. Loud boys.
So loud, bro.
I wonder who's
I'm
louder.
pretty sure I scared a fuck ton of people on the way here.
Who do you think is louder? Mine or yours? Made it. I can't believe we found Manny. That was quick. That was easier than I thought. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to find you. Brought the E92 out. We got both the Beamers out. I'm glad I brought this car. I haven't driven it in so long, and this car is honestly a lot funner in the canyons. I think just the sound, I don't know, it sounds crazy. E92 looks freaking clean, dude. I love that color, bro. It's so crazy. If you guys have still not seen it in person, you gotta see it in person. Look what Manny did. Damn.
Dude, it's melting the carbon, look.
Hood exit. I mean, yeah, bro, shit's probably hot. Manny's doing a full video over here, taking me out the game. If you guys haven't watched Manny's video, go watch it. Ooh, E46. Woo! That shit's sick. Damn, look at this. What is that? Supercharger?
Full exhaust.
Woo! I knew he was gonna come back. I want to see it. Damn, Camaro, bro. We always finding new people up here. Do a burnout.
Is that FindingNick?
Look how clean this thing is. E46 M3. I wish I had a street E46 M3. My car is like not street drivable. Unless I register it somehow, but this thing is so nice. I love that trunk too. I want to get it. But yeah, we got a bunch of homies up here. And I guess this dude in the Camaro watches a video, so that's dope. Look at all these F80s. No, I just missed them. It was like a group of F80s. It was a girl? Guys, look at it. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but it's an R34, bro. Boom, let's go try to catch her. All right, guys. We're gonna try to find that R34. It was an R34 that passed by, and I couldn't pull my camera out fast enough to show you guys, but we're gonna try to catch up to him. Random R34 just cruising through the canyon. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, bro, this car is so much fun. Oh my god, it was right there. Bro, I need to turn around. Just past me. Dude, I feel way more comfortable in this car than the GTR. It's gonna start coming up, boys.
I know, huh?
We're over here really trying to find the R34 right now. Oh my gosh, right here. Found it. You hyped or what?
Guys, we literally chased them down. All the
We
way
did
from the
chase
top.
them. Oh my god, bro, look at that. R34 GTR. The GTR. The real GTR right there. Oh my god, dude. Wow, bro, that shit is beautiful. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is beautiful, dude. V-Spec Skyline GTR. Nismo wheels. Wow, bro, this car's easily over $100,000 right here. Super rare, probably a rare color too. I'm not sure, but I wouldn't doubt it. Here, guys, I gotta appreciate. If you guys want to go follow this dude, I'm about to go follow him after too. Damn, that shit's nice. My bad, I'm over here in your picture. Guys, that thing is insane. I gotta take pictures of it. We'll be right back. Oh my god, bro. Crazy. I kind of wish I had my GTR so we could take a picture of both of them, bro.
Sick thumbnail, huh? Okay.
Imagine both of them. I took some pictures, we did cinematics, we did everything of it. You never run into this, ever. And there's a random canyon run we come up here. This thing pops up, it's insane. Of course, it has like the Florida plates because I think it's still not legal here. It's so sick. One day, guys, I'm gonna buy one. For sure, for sure. It just gets so much attention, like look at this. I think even if we had a Lambo here, this thing would get way more attention than it. I wish I got a thumbnail with it, but dude, I don't want to bug him.
See, more car owners have to be like that. Like, you see how nice he is? This guy was still joining. He's like, bro, let me know how you guys want the car. We'll take pictures wherever you guys want them.
Let's hear it, let's hear it. Oh, look at it, dude. It's been a long day.
No way. Play that song right now, bro.
Oh, that was crazy. That was interesting. R34. Alright guys, we're gonna go up a little more, see what kind of trouble we could get into. Maybe do some donuts at the top or something, because I haven't done donuts in a car in so long. Well, in this car I haven't done it in so long, so. Oh my god. Bro, this car sounds so crazy up here. Oh, yeah. Woo. Bro, I'm doing this shit in airbags too. On air suspension. Anyone ever drive with the windows down with the heater on? I always do it. Heater on, windows down. Perfect.
That's it.
I know, bro. I fucking.
I thought it was dead. I was not even hit me.
No, I won't hit you. I didn't get it started. Did it
Like
look
this
cool?
one you got.
Did it look cool?
Yeah, bro. Look, this one you got really. This one.
Oh, that was fun. I haven't swung this car in a while. This car is so much fun to do donuts. I would do it all day long. That was a fun cruise. We just got some food, some Jamba Juice. I think we're probably gonna call it a night. Nice little canyon run. It's literally freezing out. I don't know why I'm drinking this. We got the homie with the Camaro. We had the E46 homie that we met up there, which is cool. What are you doing? A Nosatec colors?
The new Nosatec color reveal.
Should we do it?
This color's sick. Laguna Seca blue.
Anyways, I'm gonna end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have not outroed a video in so long. I always just end the video just randomly. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for me. It helps me out a lot. So smash the like button. Also, subscribe to your boy if you are not already. We are about to hit 120,000 subscribers. Freaking blows my mind every single time, bro. Like, we're getting close to 200K, bro. Like, on the road to 200K. I cannot wait. So I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.